Hello kids, today in this video we will learn A for apple, B for ball. So let's start. A for apple. B for ball. C for cup. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for giraffe. H for hat. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for kite. L for lion. M for mango. N for nose. O for onion. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rat. S for snake. T for tiger. U for uniform. V for violin. W for whale. X for Xmas tree. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.